What if I told you that nearly 3 out of every 4 Americans are making a credit mistake that's costing them thousands of dollars and not helping their score at all? According to a March 2026 ABA Banking Journal survey, 72% of respondents incorrectly believe that carrying a small credit card balance helps their credit score. That's nearly 3 in 4 people. And this myth isn't just wrong, it's expensive. Let me be absolutely clear. Carrying a balance does not improve your credit score. In fact, it can hurt it. Your credit utilization, that's the percentage of your available credit you're using, is a major factor in your score. The lower your utilization, the better. Here's where it gets scary. New data from Score Nerds shows that 29% of U.S. adults now carry credit card balances of $10,000 or more. That's up from 23% just last year. People are digging themselves deeper into debt, thinking it's helping their credit. Let's talk real numbers. If you're carrying $10,000 at an average interest rate of 20% and you only make minimum payments, you'll pay over $4,000 in interest alone, and it'll take you more than 20 years to pay it off. That's money that could be in your pocket. So why do so many people believe this myth? I think it comes from a misunderstanding of how credit works. Some people think that if they show they can handle debt by carrying a balance, lenders will see them as responsible. But that's not how the scoring models work. The truth is, the best practice is to pay your statement balance in full every single month. This shows you're using the credit responsibly without paying a penny in interest. Your credit utilization will be low, and you'll avoid those massive interest charges. But what if you're already carrying a balance? First, stop adding to it. Then create a payoff plan. The debt avalanche method, paying off highest interest cards first, will save you the most money. Or use the debt snowball for psychological wins by paying smallest balances first. Consider a balance transfer card with 0% APR. Many cards offer 12 to 18 months interest-free on transferred balances. This can give you breathing room to pay down principal without interest piling up. Just watch out for transfer fees, usually 3 to 5%. Here's your action plan. 1. Pay your statement balance in full each month going forward. 2. If you have existing debt, pick a payoff strategy and stick to it. 3. Consider increasing your credit limits to lower your utilization ratio, but only if you won't be tempted to spend more. Remember, your credit score reflects how you manage credit, not how much interest you pay. Banks love when you carry balances because they make money off your interest. Don't fall for the myth that costs you thousands. So tell me in the comments, have you ever carried a balance thinking it would help your credit score? Or what's your best tip for paying down credit card debt? Let's help each other break this expensive myth.